time like this, counting each breath so we wouldn't miss it. Don't close your eyes, undecided in all of trouble. Say goodbye when you know I'd follow. Don't close your eyes.
Wow!
Gia, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and the service of your husband?
I do.
Marco, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and the service of your wife?
Yes, I do.
Don't want you passing by. Stay with me, here with me. And time is on our side. Stay with me, here with me. Stay with me, here with me.
Marco, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty.
Gia, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Marco and Gia, you are here today, reminding you that this love that you bring here today, it will last until your last breath. Panghabang buhay, God chose you to be one with you and living together. You are here today. You are the testimony of God's love that is alive.
My love, today I give myself to you. I choose you and promise you that I will always be here through ups and downs. I promise to honor, cherish, and love you every day for the rest of my life. Together we will dream, we'll stumble, but restore each other.
My love, I write this vow. We have been longing for, our time is now. This is the start of a new beginning to give our lives much more meaning. God has blessed me with my greatest treasure, which is you, my love, beyond all measure. This gift you will wear to remind you of this day. I will hold your hand to show you the way. Without further ado, let us go forth into our new life, as soon to be officially husband and wife. See you at the altar, my love, your future hubby.
This is the greatest gift entrusted to you by God. God telling you now, handed you His love unconditionally.
Uplifting. She makes everyone better. She makes me better. I'm super excited. I couldn't be happier for having her part of my life. I'm so blessed because she chose me.
Come away with me, put your hand in mine. Find a place we can stay and stop time, so I can love you more as the years go by. Come away with me, put your hand in mine. There's no place I'd rather be than right here with you. There's no place I'd rather be than right here with you. Run away, let it fall, the call of fear. Of all the things we could be, let's be right here.
Jericho Marco, do you take Gia Trixie, her present to be a lawful wife, offer the right of Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept as a lawful husband?
Yes, Father.
There's no place I'd rather be than right here with you. There's no